Hey there, welcome to my new video. In the following steps, we will explore how to safely and permanently delete your Instagram account. This comprehensive guide will provide you with detailed instructions to ensure that your account is completely removed from the Instagram platform. So, let's get started. First, open your Instagram application. Now, click on your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Now, click on the first option, Settings and Privacy. Click on Account Center. Now enter the Personal Details option. Once you've done that, click on the Account Ownership and Control option. Now, click on Deactivation or Deletion. Click on your profile. Now, click on the Delete Account option and then on a Continue. At this step, choose the reason for deleting your Instagram account. Click Continue. Once you've completed that, enter your password. Click Continue. Furthermore, if you proceed with deleting your account, your profile and account details will be deleted on the date mentioned in this part of the text. You won't be visible on Instagram from the moment of deletion until that date. You can cancel the permanent deletion process at any time before it starts through the Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. Now click on a Delete Account, and your Instagram account will be permanently deleted. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, goodbye.